Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an empties video. Okay, I literally have so many empties in here. I hope this video is not 45 minutes long. Hopefully I can condense it because I actually have somewhere to be in like 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. But don't forget to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I post, typically Wednesdays and Saturdays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. Okay, sorry, I had to take my sweater off because it's so hot, but let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing, I'm gonna pull things out, no particular order, just from the top down, just because there are literally so many things in here. But the first thing is these Mega Value Pack Pet Wipes by Petkin. These are the scent Vanilla Coconut, and these are literally paw wipes that I got from Home Goods for $5.99 for Maple. Every day, twice a day, I walk her, and I like to wipe her paws after she comes back from her walk so that she doesn't traipse in, you know, the dirt and the stuff from outside, kind of like how I don't like to wear shoes in my house, same kind of thing. But yeah, I like these. They had 125 wipes in them. They weren't super thick or super large, but definitely I think these were really, really nice. It says they clean your pet's face, so they're also like bath wipes, and they're veterinarian approved. Eco benefits have aloe and lanolin, vitamins A and E, and protein. They won't remove spot flea treatment. So you can use them as bath wipes. I sometimes did that, but mostly I use them as paw wipes for Maple. And yeah, 10 out of 10, probably would recommend and purchase again. All right, next up, we have this guy, which is actually my newest empty. This is, did I just get this all over the place? This is 100% pure matcha powder. You guys know how I feel about this stuff. Does my nose contour look super hard? Oh no, that's just a blemish. I was gonna say, like, damn. That's also a blemish right there. So yeah, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Those are just spots if you think that something's off, that's what it is. It's that time of the month, okay? This is my saving grace. I'm not even joking. I work 9-hour days, and when I'm up super early, this keeps me focused all day long. I actually just ran out of this, obviously, and I used coffee today, or drank coffee today, and I found myself crashing around like the noon, 1 p.m. early afternoon mark, as opposed to this. I don't get tired until like later on when I'm supposed to get tired. So that's something that I really appreciate about this. I got this off Amazon for 20 bucks, I believe, for 4 ounces, which is expensive, but I'm going to try out a cheaper alternative at Walmart for 6 bucks. That's not organic, I don't think, but hey, if it's matcha and it'll do the job, that's really what I'm looking for. But yes, 10 out of 10, would recommend and would repurchase, even though maybe not from this brand. All right, next up we have Juice Beauty. This is a cleanser that I used in my first ever skincare routine. And by the way, I am going to be doing an updated, like, not skincare routine per se, but like a skincare collection, like all of my current skincare products and how I use them. And obviously I'm not going to do routine and demonstrate that for you guys because I do different things every day, but I'm going to show you all of my skincare products. But anyway, that's another video. But anyway, I do really like this cleanser. I love how it's all natural. I love just the experience with it. I would either use this alone with my hands or with like a little scrubby pad, and I found that it really worked to clarify my skin, and it did not strip my skin. It was nice and fresh, and I would recommend this. But this is a dish soap I picked up at Home Goods for 3 bucks, and I wanted to mention this because it is a cruelty-free natural dish soap. I like to extend my cruelty-free buying products outside of just makeup and skincare. Like, I really try to make my laundry detergent, my dish soap, as many household things as possible cruelty. You okay there, Maple? I really try to make every decision cruelty-free in terms of, you know, household items as well. So yes, anyway, this is the Eco's Dishmate in the scent Grapefruit, and I did really enjoy this. I found that it didn't sud as much as like Dawn or another typical mainstream dish soap, but I really enjoyed this for the experience of just the scent and the fact that it was clear, so you didn't get those artificial dyes, and that it was natural for the most part. So if you see this at Home Goods and you're looking for a cruelty-free alternative, I would definitely pick this up. And it's biodegradable, hyperallergenic, pH balanced, free of formaldehyde and dyes, all that good stuff. So yeah, definitely check it out. All right, next up in the bag is this makeup remover pads, oil free, by Andrea IQs, and it's empty. I don't know why I show you this, but anyway, this comes with 65 pads that are good for your eyes and your lips. So typically on a daily basis, I will remove my makeup in the shower with an makeup remover oil, but on days where I'm using a face wipe or I just want to remove my eye makeup and lips, I will go for this. These are really saturated cotton pads, essentially, with you know, makeup remover, and I like these because they're really gentle. They don't sting my eyes. They do a really good job at removing my makeup, but also they're super, super gentle, and they specify that they're perfect for contact lens wearers. So I really like these. I bought these off Amazon in a 2-pack, so I do have the other pack waiting for me to use. So yeah, I love this stuff. I have this BeautyBlender liquid cleanser. I'm sorry, you can see like that's all the dirt and stuff because it has a pump. So I'll like pump in my brush or beauty sponge, and then like the foundation will drip into here. Anyway, it's good. I think this is like $18. I don't know if it's worth $18 because here's the thing. I really believe in the BeautyBlender Solid, like the one that comes in the tub that comes with a little bar soap. I actually prefer that to this, but the reason why I got this was because I have my spinny brush cleanser that you fill with water and you put a little bit of soap in and it spins your brushes and dries them. I use one of those tools now just because like I literally have so many brushes. I found that I was going through that BeautyBlender cleanser soap so fast, and that was like $16, and that's kind of expensive. So my resolution was to just go with a liquid cleanser and to use in conjunction with that spinny thing. And I like this. I don't know if I loved it. The scent kind of lingers a little bit. And I just bought the EcoTools cleanser for $5 or $6 that I think I'm going to try. And then I'll be able to effectively say in my next Empties video or whenever I finish that up if I think that this was worth it, depending on how well that performs. So well, I went through this Nivea Smooth Daily Moisture Body Lotion. This was all right. It does have mineral oil. I try to stay away from products that have mineral oil. So currently I'm using a Dr. Teals lotion that does not have mineral oil. I don't think this was anything special, and I'm actually not sure if this is cruelty-free. I mean, I have read mixed reviews or mixed statements on if it's cruelty-free or not. Like, they claim they don't test their products to animals. Other websites say that they're not cruelty-free. So if you guys know, please let me know down below. I really want to be able to consciously decide because I don't like using like gray area products. So I went through 2 Dr. Teals bubble baths. Ooh, yeah, 2 Dr. Teals bubble baths. This is the pink Himalayan foaming bath, which actually I have the lotion version of this now. And this is the Relax and Relief version. I like them both. This one smells more like a light grapefruit scent or orangey scent, and this smells more of like that peppermint rejuvenating scent. I personally prefer this to kind of like unwind, but I do have like peppermint and lavender essential oils that I drip into my baths anyway, so I find that the scent doesn't really matter. But like I've said time and time again, these are my favorite affordable bubble baths, hands down. They're foaming, they get really nice and sudsy, and they have pure Epsom salts, which are really, really good to kind of like infuse with your bath and kind of absorb into your body. I think these are great. They're $5 a piece for 34 fluid ounces. I think the price is right, and they're so, so good. Okay, next up I have these Hask Keratin Protein shampoo and conditioner. These are probably some of my favorite affordable hair products. This specifically in the smoothing line smells so freaking good. It's not like a scent that I can describe, it just smells like really good conditioner, if that makes sense. And I highly recommend these the next time you're at Ulta or the drugstore wanting to pick up something that's natural, on the natural side, but still cruelty free and still really, really good. This is free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, gluten, alcohol, and artificial colors, so yes. All right, next up I have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. This is just another body lotion. It comes in like a squeezy tube, which isn't my favorite. I always prefer a pump, but this smells really good. It smells like chocolate. This smells so nice, and this also claims that it smooths marks and tones skin, which is an added bonus. We all want tighter skin, right? This says that it has cocoa butter, vitamin E, fast absorbing, 24-hour moisture, paraben and phthalate free, and suitable for eczema prone skin. I actually like Palmer's. I'm using their facial cleansing oil right now, which happens to be free of mineral oil, but this isn't, so I don't know. And guys, if you're not like ingredient conscious like I am, I just prefer to stay away from certain things, but if that doesn't bother you, then by all means, I think this is a great lotion. It really is rich and does keep your skin moisturized, so if that's what you're looking for, then I think this is good. Okay, next up we have this hand soap from Bath & Body Works. This is the Nourishing Hand Soap with honey butter. This smells so freaking good. All Bath & Body Works hand soaps smell fantastic. I'm actually using one right now in my bathroom. This smells exactly like honey honey butter, and it takes me back, wow, to like the first part of 2018. Like, it's crazy how scents can take you back, right? But yeah, I love it. This is super nourishing, and personally I find that scents for me and hand soaps are really, really nice. Like, they really add to the experience. I know it may seem trivial to some people, but for me it just makes that little menial everyday task of washing your hands like that much more pleasant, I guess. So I'm all for that. So I went through this Pure and Gentle makeup remover wipes. I love these so much. They are my favorite wipes. You get 30 for 97 cents. They don't break me out. They're made with really good ingredients, safe for sensitive skin, alcohol-free, oil-free, with aloe, green tea, and cucumber. Really, really good, dermatologist tested, saturated with product. You don't get that like weird residue after. I love this stuff so much. And would I repurchase? Yes, because I already have. Okay, speaking of cleansing oils, I went through this Burt's Bees cleansing oil with coconut and argan oils. This is for normal to dry skin. It doesn't really matter to me because I use this as like a dry situation on my face to remove my makeup before I go in with my cleanser. But I really like this. I mean, I don't think it's anything like revolutionary. I bought my Palmer's face oil for a lot cheaper, or not a lot cheaper, probably like half the price. This was like 16 bucks, and I don't know if it's worth 16 bucks. You get 6 fluid ounces, which is nice, and they claim it's 100% natural, but I don't think it's like everything and more. Like, for example, even though I'll really rub it into my eyes, I still find that I will have like residue after. So for that reason, I don't know if it's worth the 16 bucks, but at the same time, I don't know. Okay, next up, I have the Sun-In. I love it. It's good stuff. I use it most of the times I wash my hair. I have already repurchased it in a different scent. And for those of you with dark hair, don't be afraid. For me, I've never had a bad experience with it. And when it grows out into really kind of nice highlights that don't look so harsh. So for me, I really, really like this. And personally, I like to saturate it all over my head in the spring and summer months. I think it's great. Okay, moving right along, I have these Mario Badescu facial sprays. Do I really need to talk about these? I mean, I love these so much. This is in the scent Aloe, Chamomile, and Lavender, and this one is in Aloe, Cucumber, and Green Tea. I personally obviously would repurchase. I already have. I actually bought the Chamomile one in a big bottle because I was like, it's time for me to stop going through these so quickly. But I really love these, and of course I would recommend and repurchase. I think they are so refreshing, not necessarily as a makeup setting spray, but as a toner, as a facial mist, like a beauty mist, as like a midday pick-me-up. I think they're really, really nice. Okay, and then, sorry, I just sprayed some e.l.f. Beauty Shield spray. That's why my face looks a little bit dewy right now. But anyway, I went through this Body Shop Himalayan charcoal mask. I like this mask a lot. As you can see, I went through the whole thing. It's a little bit pricey. It is 30 bucks. But the ingredients are really, really good. It is that deep exfoliating mask, and I will say it can be a little bit hard to remove because of all that charcoal and those exfoliants like on your face, and that are really thick and really natural. So just be warned. Oh, hi, sweetie. I did like this. I would probably use this once a week, and I found that my skin would be really, really soft afterwards. So yeah, I think it's good. I don't know if it's worth $30. I am in the process of testing out another mud mask / charcoal mask. So only after then can I really say like, oh, do I think it's worth more money? I will have to keep you posted on that. I went through this Murad acne spot treatment. This is something that I think is awesome. I can't find this anywhere. I look it up and something else pops up, but essentially it has 3% sulfur, so it's a little bit different from your typical like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid acne treatments. But I find that this really works because sulfur also works at drying out your blemish from within, so it's able to heal a lot faster. And for me, I thought that this really was a great, effective little guy, and it did really help my blemishes overnight. So I would repurchase if I could just find it. All right, I went through this biotin and collagen shampoo from OGX. This is great. I've had this for so long, and wow, this scent really does take me back to. I have the big bottle. I think it's good. I don't think it's great. I didn't really notice like that much volume with it, but I do think that my hair felt really clean, really nourished. So yeah, I don't know if I would repurchase because again, the cruelty-free statement on this is so weird. It says not tested on animals, but then another website said that it was starting to sell to China, so it's technically not cruelty-free. Like, I don't know. I really don't know, but anyway. there's that. All right, I went through this Body Shop Tea Tree Night Lotion. I mentioned this in my first skincare routine. I love the experience. You do get a little 1 ounce for $20, so it's a little bit up there in price, but it has tea tree oil, and you really get that whiff of tea tree when you put it on. So if you like that scent, then you would really like this. And tea tree is really good at being an antibacterial kind of solution for blemishes, so that's why they put it with like acne targeted skin products. But yeah, suitable for blemish skin. I really liked it. It was really nice and lightweight, and I think that it would be a great summertime night moisturizer. All right, I'm gonna briefly go through the candles I went through just because I don't think anybody cares, but I went through Spiced Apple Toddy. Wow, this is like a quintessential fall scent. I went through Vanilla Snowflake. Wow, also a great winter scent. I went through Raspberry Peach Macaroon, which is one of my favorite scents ever, and I'm definitely going to repurchase it soon for sure because it's still available and it's not like a winter scent. I went through this Frosted Cranberry. Oh, smells so good. It smells like winter. This Hot Cocoa and Cream, which is hands down my favorite winter candle ever. Oh! Last but not least, I went through this Fresh Balsam candle, which is also one of my favorite candles ever. Just smells so good and wintry. I love it. Anyway, everyone, that is it for this Empties video. I hope you enjoyed taking a peek at my beauty and lifestyle trash. Obviously not food trash, but yeah, let me know if you like these videos, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Yeah, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you are having an amazing day, whatever you're doing. She says the same thing. But yeah, until the next one, guys, thank you so much for watching. Maple, let me do my outro, please. Okay, and we'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!